Well, we're glad to have back Dr. Richard Jackson with Changes Medical Spa, known as Dr. J, who's become my friend. I'm so glad to have you back.
Good to be here, Whitney.
Now, today we're talking about neuromodulators. What is that?
Well, the neuromodulators are the most popular anti-aging treatments in the world.
Okay.
And there are three that are approved in the United States. Botox is the best known, and then there's Dysport and Xeomin.
Okay.
And they're all three great products, and they work in the same mechanism. They reduce the activity of nerves on muscles, so that results in a weakening of the muscle activity in the area where they're injected, and they're used to reduce lines and wrinkles that are caused by excessive muscle activity in a specific area.
Okay, well, how long after you have an injection, let's say in the lines in your forehead, how long will it take for that to actually start working and relaxing?
They typically start to work within a few days, and you see the maximum effect within 2 to 4 weeks. And then they continue to be effective for several months, usually about 4 to 7 months, depending on the person and depending on the area and the amount that you inject.
Okay, and so you can also get that around for the crow's feet, correct? But not like under the eyes for sags and things like that. It's just basically for wrinkles and lines on the forehead and crow's feet.
Well, just for lines and wrinkles where they're caused by muscle contraction.
Well, we've got some before and after pictures we'd like to show, if that would be okay. Because what I'd like to know is there any downtime to this? Like, can they go get it on their lunch hour?
Well, after the injection, you see a red spot, and that's typically there for a few minutes.
Wow.
And after that, there normally isn't any. A small bruise is possible.
Look at the results there. Now, that's amazing. The difference in how it relaxed the forehead on the gentleman. This looks like, is this a gentleman?
Yes,
well,
it can be used in men and women.
Men can have it too.
Sure, and a lot of people have really strong muscles in the forehead, and those horizontal lines are very effectively relaxed there in the right-hand picture. And see the next slide. That is a gummy smile. That's a treatment that we occasionally do. We treated a beauty contestant from Knoxville the other day with really good results, and it just relaxes the upper lip and reduces the amount of gum showing when they smile. Let's see what the next one is. That is crow's feet lines along the sides of the eyes, and they're very common, and it's usually a result of photo damage and aging, and they can be relaxed and sometimes taken away completely or at least reduced a lot.
Wow. Oh, goodness.
Now, that's
what a difference.
That's a less common use, but those are called platysmal bands. They're bands of muscle in the neck. Everybody has that muscle. Sometimes they're irregular, and you can relax it so that those don't look so prominent and stringy. And let's see what else we have. That's the most common area where the medication's injected, and it's for the vertical forehead lines, or 11 lines, and it helps to reduce the amount of visible frowning and improve the appearance. Also usually opens the eyes a little bit by injecting there. And another benefit, this has been shown in research for about the past 10 years, although they're not approved for this indication. They're even useful for treatment of major depression when they're injected in that area. And other possible uses, there are several other areas. Hypertrophy of the masseter muscles that causes enlargement of the lower face, especially if there's TMJ problems or tooth clenching of the jaws at night. It can help relax that and thin the lower face. Can be used for treatment of sweating in any body area. And let's see, some people get the injections for tension headaches and migraines.
I didn't realize that had such a multiple use item, but you are giving a super discount to new patients, right?
Yes.
I can't wait to hear.
Our Good Day Tri-Cities deal is if they call by the end of the month and mention that they heard about it here, we're making the treatment half price. We're charging $6 per unit. That's how we usually make our charges, and it's the lowest price that we've ever offered it, but it's only available for new customers at our spa, or else people that are coming there that have never had Xeomin before.
That is definitely a good day deal. We'll have that on our Facebook page. Thank you, Dr. J. He's such a giver.
Good to be here. Thank you.